Look at this beautiful baby. Now look, do you see how huge those are? Look at my hand. That's how, I mean, my goodness, I can't tell. My hand is not even coming to about here is where my hand comes. Sorry. I just want to let you know that these are humongous chicken breasts that I actually cut in half. This is one chicken breast. So it's one of those kind of massive ones. But look, this is a normal size chicken breast. If I could have put 3 or 4 on here if they were normal, which means, boom, other side of my griddle. That means 8. How about that? Meal prep, big family. But what's great is, honestly, my family can go get through with just 3 of these pieces. These 2 are kind of extra. I have 4 in my family, but this big one I can cut in half and utilize with both of my kiddos. But check it out. Now, these are still cooking. But, woo, do you see this? Without me getting burnt below. This pan snaps and replaces. So I could be having chicken on this side on my grill, or on this side, it doesn't have to be my protein. It could be my veggies on the griddle, or grilled veggies. I mean, come on, that's what we do these days, right? So here is the Deluxe Grill and Griddle. Has a lot of different settings. Custom sear panini griddle, keeping warm. You can add 30 seconds. It has a probe where I can put in to see if my temperature is correct chicken temperature, and it's done in the middle on one of my bigger pieces. And if it is, we're good to go. So you have a probe. Add 30 seconds, not quite done, add 30 seconds, no big deal. Over here we have time, temperature, and top and bottom, meaning top plate, bottom plate, because guys, I mean, I can't show you because I'm in the midst of cooking, but check it out. This can come up and over, and panini, melt, cook on both sides at once. I love, love, love this pan. Now, I am going to use this for meal prep. How awesome is that? One unit, tons of protein, veggies that I can cook all at one time. So I'm loving it. What would you guys do with yours? We're just having some amazingly flavored seasoned chicken, and we'll probably dip in some sauces, and we're having rice just straight out of my micro cooker. It's done in here. If I wiggle it, yeah. Rice. Flavored chicken, flavored rice. So that's what we're having tonight. See you guys later. I love my Pampered Chef.